The Nothing Phone 3 is expected to launch in mid-2025, marking another significant step forward for the innovative London-based tech company. Building on the success of its predecessors, the Phone 3 is rumored to feature upgraded hardware and software to provide an even better user experience. Recent leaks suggest the device will be powered by a high-performance octa-core processor, likely from Qualcomm's Snapdragon lineup, coupled with an Adreno 810 GPU and at least 8 GB of RAM. It will run on an updated version of Nothing OS, based on Android 15, promising a smoother and more intuitive interface. The company is reportedly planning to release multiple variants of the Phone 3, including Standard, Pro, and Plus models, catering to different user preferences and price points. These devices are expected to maintain Nothing's signature transparent design, which has been a defining feature of the brand. Additionally, the Phone 3 will likely integrate advanced AI capabilities, enhancing performance, personalization, and productivity features. With a focus on innovation and expanding its market presence, particularly in the US, Nothing aims to solidify its position as a disruptor in the smartphone industry with this highly anticipated release.